Hey, this is Ray with Hair Holtz Hub. As you can see, we're in a companion bathroom. This is a pretty big size one. So here, look behind me. And it goes over here a little bit. And then I turn around and it goes all the way over here. Changing table is over there. There's a hook on the back of the door here. I know I'm very bad at this. That's the hook on the back of the door. But there's no hook here. So, I mean, maybe you could sit your bag here instead of on the ground. But yeah, so I like this companion. Hold on. Here we go. I like this companion bathroom. This one is over, we're in Epcot. This one is over, Regal Eagle is here. And that's why.
In the American Pavilion.
Yes, and in the American Pavilion. No, I was just pointing, I was sitting here, I was like, wait, Regal Eagle was here. So, and my ears aren't staying on today. They're being funky today. But, yep. I like this bathroom. We'll put this in our companion series so you can see it. There it is. All right. Have the day you deserve.